Boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of Tuesday, January the 23rd, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, 3 stars and a 4-star Sudoku. 2 puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's a binary time, and this one will be number 7858. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. 17 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in the column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double 1, here no, there no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1s comes in O. Between the 1s comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Between the 1s comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. And we have here 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first column. So the rest are 1s. 4 1s in this first row. So the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow. Without comparing. This one in a flow. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle in this additional, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.